people are coming. A lot of people that are illegal are great people. Just let's get it straight. They don't want to give it straight. Because the press are liars. They're terrible people. But here's an idea. So Mexico is sending lots of babies. And by the way, they're coming from all over the world, including the Middle East. Why not? Come in. Come on in. We're stupid. We'll take care of you. We'll pay.
Oh!
Sick. We'll take care of your hospitalization. What kind of a plan do you want? Oh, Don, you're a little controversial. You're talking about I said it's illegal.
That there are
It's very illegal.
immigrants on the whole
Come on, try getting it out.
Well, no, there's immigrants. You're a dumb lady.
Put this on television, but you don't even know what you're talking about. Try getting it out. Go ahead. The premiums are going.
The premiums are going. Deductibles.
You have to get hit with a Komatsu tractor.
You have to get hit by a Komatsu tractor.
$1 million building a soccer field.
Donald Duck.
For our listeners.
Oh, doggies are barking. Oh, they're barking at you, Donald Trump.
Like that. What do you need $1 million?
Get a life.
Just let 'em play. The Iranians
Are you an idiot?
Persians are great.
Oh!
And we have people that are babies. It's like a chess
Hillary Clinton.
No, that's what it is. We
Donald Dump.
a nuclear scientist.
A nuclear scientist, they say.
It's so insane.
President Obama sucks.
I highly think you should read this book quickly. Quickly!
I highly think you should read this book quickly. Quickly! Trust me, the book sucks. Don't read the book.
My opponents. I noticed he's not doing very well in the book.
Donald Trump, put an egg on your head and roll around like a dog in dog poop.
The polls came out and said, and the media, look at all those people back there.
Whoa, look at all those people. They're pointing at you. Whoa, Donald Duck.